Now the topic is calcium channel blocker. Now the topic is calcium channel blocker uses and contraindications. Uses and contraindications of calcium channel blockers. So what will be there means this calcium channel blockers decreases the blood pressure. Blood pressure is equals to cardiac output into peripheral vascular resistant. Cardiac output into peripheral vascular resistant. This formula we can call as a blood pressure. See whenever see directly proportional. Blood pressure is directly proportional to the cardiac output and peripheral vascular resistant. Whenever the cardiac output nothing but the formula cardiac output is equals to heart rate into stroke volume into the stroke volume. Whenever the heart rate will reduces, cardiac output reduces. Whenever the cardiac output reduces, blood pressure gets reduced. Okay. Okay. Now the thing is, whenever the heart rate get reduced, hence this calcium channel blockers reduce the heart rate. So we can use in the tachycardia treatment. And reduce the cardiac output. Cardiac output nothing but workload on the heart. See, heart get contract totally, and it need to pump the blood. Fully contraction, then need to pump the blood. So when it will fully contraction, it will needs more energy. The heart need to do more work. So whenever decreased cardiac output means less contraction of heart. Okay. Whenever the less contraction, less work done by the heart. So decreased output nothing but decreased workload on the heart. Decreased cardiac output nothing but decreased workload on the heart. So this is hence decreased workload on the heart. We can use in the treatment of angina pectoris. Next one is decreased peripheral vascular resistance. Means calcium channel present on the blood vessel that will cause decreased peripheral vascular resistance. Nothing but vasodilation. This will cause vasodilation. Calcium channel blocker will cause vasodilation. In hypertension, already vasoconstriction is there. So we need to vasodilate. Vasodilation is needed. Hence, this vasodilation of calcium channel blocker used in the treatment of hypertension. In angina pectoris also, vasodilation is needed. See, this is the heart. It need to pump the blood to this blood vessel. Through this blood vessel, it need to work more. It need to work more compared to when the vasodilation is there. Means vasodilation. When the vasodilation is there, heart will easily pump the blood into the coronary artery. Whenever the blood vessel gets constricted, the heart need to do more work in order to pump the blood through this constricted blood vessel. So whenever the vasodilation is there, less work done by the heart. Less work done nothing but reduced workload on the heart. Hence, we can use it in the treatment of angina pectoris. Vasodilation, less work done by the heart in order to pump the blood through the blood vessel, vasodilated blood vessel. So less work done now. So we can use in the treatment of angina pectoris. Okay. In hypertension, blood vessel get constricted. We need to dilate the blood vessel. Hence, we can use in the treatment of hypertension. But in the congestive heart failure, vasodilation is contraindicated. See, this is the heart. This is the body part. So body cannot get. This body part need to get 100 ml of blood. This need to get 100 ml of blood. So proper blood pressure should be maintained. Within the blood vessel. So whenever the heart get contracted, then the blood passes into the blood vessel, then it reaches to the body part. Then it will shed a body part. See, this is the heart. When the blood vessel get dilated, even though heart will pump the blood, even though heart will pump the blood, this blood cannot reaches. See here, 100 ml blood. For example, you can consider 75 ml pumped by the heart, then 75 ml is to the body, 75 is to the body part. So heart pumping the 75 ml due to the vasodilation, more retained amount of blood present in the blood vessel. Only 60% of 60 ml blood reaches to the body part. Remaining 40 ml blood present in the blood vessel. Why this 40 ml present in the blood vessel means due to vasodilation. So our body not getting proper amount of blood. When the blood vessel get dilated, our body not getting sufficient amount of. Hence, this vasodilation is contraindicated in congestive heart failure. This vasodilation is contraindicated in congestive heart failure. But vasodilation can be used in the treatment of angina pectoris and hypertension. Workload arteries. So you can use in the treatment of angina with less rate. So less BP. Finally, less cardiac output, less peripheral vascular resistance leads to the less blood pressure. So we can use in the treatment of hypertension. This is about the uses and contraindication of beta or calcium channel blockers.